Hello everyone! Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo how to add radicals. So magpipresent po ako ng dalawang examples and then at the end of this video ay meron po akong ibibigay na inyong activity. So paano nga po ba mag-add ng radicals? Okay, so let's start. Number 1, we have 3 square root of 3 plus square root of 75. So how to add radicals? Paano nga po ba? So yung basic concept po ng adding radicals ay we can only add two radicals if they have the same radicand. So dito sa aking given dito is 3 pareho yung kanilang radicand. So ibig sabihin, ang concept lang po ay you're going to add the numerical coefficient of the radical symbol. Okay? So we have 3 square root of 3 plus square root of 3. So we can add 3 and then numerical coefficient dito ay 1. Kapag wala pong nakalagay, automatic ito po ay 1. So we have 3 plus 1. Ganoon lang po yung pag-add. And then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and then just copy the radical part. Okay, square root of 3 pareho, kaya 4 square root of 3. So, ganyan po yung pag-a-add ng radicals. But, in our given, ang ating pong radicand sa first ay 3 and then itong second ay 75. So, we cannot add directly 3 plus 1 here. Okay? Kasi magkaiba po yung kanilang radicand. So, ang gawin po natin ay isimplify po natin kahit saan po dito yung pwedeng isimplify. So, yung 3 square root of 3, hindi na po pwedeng isimplify kasi yung 3 is not a perfect square at wala na pong factors yung 3 na perfect square. Tingnan po natin itong 75. Yung 75 ay meron siyang factors na perfect square. So, ito ay pwede po nating simplify. So, to simplify, just copy muna itong 3 square root of 3 and then simplify natin yung 75. Ipa-factors natin 75 and the factors are 25 times 3. So, 25 times 3 is 75. And take note, notice here that 25 is a perfect square. So, we can simplify this one. Okay, just copy muna sa baba. 3 square root of 3 plus, what is square root of 25? Square root of 25 is equal to 5. So, pag kinuha natin yung square root niya, ilalabas na natin ng radical symbol. So, square root of 25 is equal to 5, ilalabas natin. So, ang maiiwan sa loob, as radicand dito ay yung 3 na lang. So, this become square root of 3. So, we have now 3 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 3. So, notice, pareho na po sila ng radicand na 3. So, therefore, pwede na pong i-add yung numerical coefficient na 3 and 5. So, if you're going to add 3 plus 5 and then just copy the radical part. So, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, then square root of 3. So, our answer here is 8 square root of 3. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? We have 2 square root of 8x plus 7 square root of 2x. So this time, maglalagay naman po ako ng variable. Okay, so the same way, the same process po yung addition of radicals, dapat pareho po yung kanilang radicand. Okay? So yung radicand po dito sa first ay 8x, then sa second ay 2x. So ibig sabihin yan, magkaiba po sila ng radicand, we cannot add 2 plus 7. Ano po? So, gagawin lang natin po ay dapat pag makagawa po tayo ng way para magkapareho yung kanilang radicand. Okay, so yung 8x, yung 8 ay may factor na perfect square. Okay, so ito pong 8x ay pwede pong isimplify. Pero itong 2x, yung 2, wala na pong factor yan na perfect square. So, we cannot simplify square root of 2x. So, ito lang po yung pwede nating isimplify. So, to simplify, unahin po natin yan. Yung first, so 2 is 1. Square root of 8x. Yung 8x ay pwedeng i-factor po yung 8 na 4 times 2. That is 8 and then times x. Okay, this 1. And then just bring down plus 7 square root of 2x. Okay? And then next, since na-factor na po natin yung 8, pwede po natin kunin yung square root ng 4 because 4 is a perfect square. So, kapag kinuha natin yung square root ng 4, ilalabas din natin ng radical symbol. Okay? So, square root of 4 is equal to 2. So, ilalagay po natin. Yung 2 po na nandito sa unahan na the same 2, ito po, ito na yon. And then yung square root of 4 na 2, ito po yon. Kaya dalawa po yung 2 dito. And then ang 2x, hindi na rin po pwedeng i-simplify yung 2x. So ito po yung maiwan dito sa loob as radicand. So square root of 2x. Then bring down plus 7 square root of 2x. So notice here, pareho na po yung kanilang radicand na 2x. Okay? So bago po natin i-plus itong 7 plus 2 times 2, multiply po muna natin itong 2 times 2. Another thing na kailangan nyong malaman, kapag naglalabas po kayo ng perfect square or perfect root sa labas, ilalabas po ninyo, kapag may number po dito na numerical coefficient, all you have to do is you are going to multiply. Kagaya po nito, 2 po ito, and then pag nilabas natin yung square root of 4 is 2, ang operation po dito sa labas ay multiplication. Okay? So what is 2 times 2? That is equal to 4 and then square root of 2x. Then bring down 7 square root of 2x. So yan, pareho na po yung radicand na 2x, and then we can now add 4 plus 7. Okay? So 4 plus 7 is 11. Then just copy the radical part, square root of 2x. Okay? So 11 square root of 2x is the sum. Okay? For number 3 question, I will leave this one as your activity. So try po ninyong sagutan. Try to add these two radicals. And then if you done answering, then comment your answer below in the comment box. Okay? So hintayin ko po yung inyong sagot at i-comment ko po kung tama yung inyong sagot. Salamat sa kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video nito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.